The traditional model for enterprise tech integration often involves large consulting firms, but a new joint venture from Anthropic is challenging that. They're betting a small team of engineers can outperform an army of consultants. This week, details emerged about Ode with Anthropic. It's a new entity, a joint venture specifically focused on enterprise AI services. This isn't just Anthropic itself, but a dedicated initiative. The venture is backed by significant financial players. Anthropic is a key partner, naturally, but it also includes major investment firms like Blackstone, Hellman & Friedman, and Goldman Sachs. This signals serious capital and strategic intent behind the model. Ode with Anthropic isn't about selling off-the-shelf AI products. Their core offering is embedding forward-deployed engineers directly into client enterprise firms. These are not remote advisors. They are integrated, on-site, deep within the client's operations. The fundamental question Ode is built upon is whether a handful of engineers can really do the work of an army of consultants. This directly challenges the scale and approach of traditional enterprise consulting. It implies a belief in the efficiency and impact of specialized, integrated AI expertise. This model suggests a shift in how large organizations might adopt and integrate advanced AI. Instead of relying on external reports or high-level strategies, enterprises would get direct, hands-on engineering talent. The focus moves from theoretical potential to practical, embedded implementation, tailored to the unique complexities of each firm. For professionals and builders in enterprise IT, this is a significant development. It underscores the value of deep, practical AI engineering skills within complex organizational structures. It also raises questions about the future of traditional consulting roles in an AI-driven world. If this model proves successful, it could redefine how AI expertise is delivered and consumed by large businesses. Ode with Anthropic is a bold experiment. It's a direct challenge to established enterprise integration methods, betting on focused engineering over broad consulting. Do you think this embedded engineer model is the future? Or will the army of consultants still dominate? Share your thoughts in the comments. And for more unvarnished analysis of AI, subscribe to Hands-Free AI.